Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Amazon Prime Video account, whether you're new to Amazon Prime Video or just need a quick refresher. This guide will walk you through the steps, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.primevideo.com. This will take you to the Amazon Prime Video homepage. Next, you'll see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that. So here, if you already have an Amazon account, simply enter your email or mobile phone number associated with your account and then your password. After entering your details, click on the sign in button. For those who have two-step verification enabled, you will receive a code on your registered mobile number or email. Enter the code and click sign in again. And that's it, you will be logged in into your Amazon Prime Video account. You can now start browsing and watching your favorite movies and TV shows. But if you need to create an account, click on create account. Now here you'll need to enter your first and last name, enter your mobile number and create a password. So after that, you'll need to verify your phone number and enter the code number what has been sent to your mobile number, and there you have it. Login into Amazon Prime Video is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.